Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1993 Ford Mustang Convertible. Yes, of course folks, the Fox Spy style generation is back. Even so, during the day you used to see them all over the production line. Now you see it on today's roads of 2026. Going to the fine little automobile we have here, featuring a glamorous red exterior, followed by a white power top. And I will say it again, it is a power top. As seen from right here on the dash, you have your top switch right underneath the hazard lights. But looking at the exterior, you will see she has that fine little stripe along the side. Even so, on the front of the hood, looking at the back, the spoiler does look like a luggage rack. That's how cool Ford really wanted to keep their vehicles. Riding on the appropriate 5-spoke style wheels and Blackwell Michelin tires, she's ready to burn rubber, she's ready to travel, and maybe even go across country. Which, looking on both sides, you have your small little mirrors there. Of course, they are manual, but even so, it is better to have a mirror than the single one on the driver's side. Which, looking at the inside, you will see we have an automatic transmission on the floor, a very roomier style interior, as you can see from the nice vinyl style bucket seats. White is always a harder color to keep clean in my personal opinion, but you can see how well conditioned these seats are, followed by the door panels. Of course, every time somebody gets in and out of your fine Ford Mustang, you don't want them standing in the interior, but you can see how well preserved these ones actually are, as well as the little compartments on the lower side. But looking at it, you will also see we have our instrument cluster here with full working instrument cluster needles. Even so, 29,000 miles reading from the odometer. Though being of the age of the vehicle, it will be exempt, but it's very nice to see that anyway. As for the dash, you are in very good shape there. A lot of times you can put your food, your drinks, all that up there on the dash. We got blowing cold AC at this time. As for the steering wheel, we have a very well working horn, our cruise controls. Even so, for the driver door panel, you have your automatic locks, mirror windows, and even so on the bottom side there, the lock. But looking at our audio system, you do have a JVC aftermarket radio with built-in CD. You want cruising, jamming, you want to have the fun, this is definitely going to be the ride for you. Yet even if you want to take it down to the beach, you have passengers in the back. You have seatbelts. You could even maybe throw a surfboard back there. But leading on to the engine bay, featuring the 5.0 powerful and stylish motor with front wheel disc brakes, power brakes, and power steering. You've got the safe cruising automobile you've always dreamed of. But before we conclude our video, we will give you a little bit of a brake test, show you how well the automobile stops. And right there, you had no turns or pulls, just a straight shot. Even so, for your viewing pleasure, we will open up a little bit, show you the true potential of the 93 Mustang. Right there, no hesitation, no pop, just a ready to go automobile. But as for now though, we are just going to get this safely turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.